SensusAccess is a versatile online tool that transforms text, documents, images, and other file types into accessible formats. Whether converting text to speech, Braille, or another document format, SensusAccess is a powerful tool for enhancing accessibility. Getting started with SensusAccess involves a few simple steps. Navigate to the UC Berkeley SensusAccess portal. This link will also be in the description below. Find the Upload Your Document section, select the Choose Files button, and find the document you want to convert on your computer. SensusAccess accepts many file formats including PDFs, images, and Word documents. After locating the file on your computer, select the Open button and the option to Upload. Selecting the Accessibility Conversion option provides several possible formats including DOC, DOCX, RTF, PDF, XLS, CSV, and TXT. After selecting the Accessibility Conversion option, use the pull-down menu to specify your preferred format type. In this case, we selected the tagged PDF image over text output. Provide a UC Berkeley email address where the processed file will be sent. Next, select the Submit button to start the conversion process. Depending on the file's size and complexity, this might take a few minutes or longer. You'll receive an email notification to receive your transformed file when the conversion is finished. Follow the email instructions to access and download the accessible version of your document. Experiment with different settings and formats to find the best solution for your specific accessibility needs. For more information about SensusAccess, email sensusaccess@berkeley.edu.